Okay, we are looking to August International Version A, Model 1. First question, square root of 2x plus 43 is equal to 7. And x is equal to 3. Answer is C. F of x is equal to 5x squared. We must write instead of x 12. Then we will get answer. 5 multiplied by 12 squared. Answer is 720. D. 3. Y is equal to 8x plus 7. And it passes through 0 and 15. Because it's a parallel, it must be also 8. Y is equal to 8 multiplied by x plus b. Because it's a 0, 15, it means that b is 15. So answer is C. 4. For first question, it's a during which of the following time period did the greatest percent increase? Değer gözlüğüm burada ele bir donma oldu.
Sizde donma mı?
Ya bunu bağlılaştırmazsam niyeyse bağlılaşmır. Nasıl? Belə də yox, belə olmayacaq.
Yani bu kontrol minusa basın.
Yes, olmuş.
Orada
Tamam. Buradan elədi. Okay. It says that which of the following is the greatest increase? For greatest increase, it is from 2 to 3. That's one. So 2 to 3, answer is C. 5. Here you can think it like that. 8x will be eliminated, and it will be 6 is equal to 5. And if 6 is equal to 5, it means that there is no solution. Answer is A. 6. We have magazines, $5 each. It will be 5M. And we have newspaper, $2 each. It will be 2M. And because we say at least 220, it will be like that. And it will be answer D. 7. When say from what height the object was killed, it means that is y-intercept. You must think like that. T is equal to 0. And when t is equal to 0, it is 9. I am writing also this part here. When say initial height or something like that. When say from what height the object was kicked, it means it is y-intercept. And it is equal to 9. If it's a initial speed, it is 5. If it's a acceleration, it is 4.9, negative 4.9. And if it's a when the object hit the ground, it is x-intercept. Like that. And if it asks about maximum value, it is y-vertex. Here you have to write instead of x0, it will be 9. 120% of n is equal to 60. What is the value of n? 120% of n is equal to 60. N is equal to 50. D. You have to just write instead of x22. Then you will get like that, and the answer is 3600. 4 cups of milk plus 2b is equal to 1178. It says that 1 cup of milk is equal to 290. And from here, answer will be 9. A. That one. Here it says that which one has greatest mean. When we are looking at the greatest mean, we have to look maximum value, and maximum value is here is 42. Maximum value here is 42, right? So you can see that we have 142 in C and D. So they are not, they don't have greatest mean. We need to look A or B. And for A, because we have 438, it means that A is greater than B. Answer is A. 13. It says P of 4 is equal to 111. For this type of question, you have to just understand what X and P of X represent. X represent number of days. X represent number of days. So it means 4 days after printer had been loaded, there will be 111 blank sheets of paper. So answer will be, it is not D because indeed it's a decreasing. We don't have here decreasing. Answer is C, I think. Yeah, C. 14. For when we have given that, first you have to read after given that. And after given that, say t-shirt is a flames t-shirt. So if this flames t-shirt, it will be 44. And out of 44, how many of them is medium? It is 22. And you must write here 1/2. Don't write 22/44. It's not correct. Sen ele alacağım. 20 over ne? 54 tamam. Sen given zaten fikir vermiyorsun. For what value of x does y reach its minimum? You can write it to decimals and you can write it, find it is minimum value from here, like that. So what's the minimum value? It is this point, right? And it says what's the value of x? So x is 9. Answer is 9. And also you can find it like that, negative b over 2a. It is equal to negative b, negative 18 over 2a, and it's equal to 9. B. 16. Difference between measure of angle A and measure of angle B is 2/3 p radians. When we want to convert that angle to degree, we have to think like that. We have to multiply it by 180 over p. So answer will be C. You can say that in option A, we don't have p here, so it is not correct. We have p here, but when you multiply it by another p, it will be p squared. It's not also correct. And for D, it is 360. It is not correct. You have to know this rule. P radians is equal to 180 degrees. Answer is D. No, answer is C. In March, account manager completed 50 more than 3 times of April. So M is equal to 3A plus 15. And in March and April, account manager completed 311, 351. M plus A is equal to 351. Then you have to just solve this equation. It asks about April. So let's write instead of M, 351 minus A, and let's use wave. And it is 84. 18. For 18, you must know this rule. When it says QRS is similar to FGH, like that, it means that angle Q is equal to angle F, angle R is equal to angle G, and angle S is equal to angle H. Bütün uzaklar birbirine beraberdir. Buraya yazalım. All angles are same. Okay, after that it say Q is equal to B. Okay, it is B. And it say F is equal to 25. So from here we can say that B is equal to 25. And also we know all sides are proportional. Proportional mean their ratios are same. Yani nispetleri eynidir. Here we write it like that. QR over FG is equal to RS over GH, and it is equal to QS over FH, like that. Then says that FGH has 1/3 of QRS. Then we can write it like that. We can think it like that. If one side of FGH is equal to, if one side of QRS is equal to A, it will be 3A, something like that, right? No. If it is A, it is 3A. So it is equal to 3. Düz oldu bu. Bax, məsələn, bu bunu 3 bilirsə, bu 3-dürsə, bu 1 olur. Demək ki, bu bundan 3 dəfə çoxdur. Yes, it's correct. Then it says that fg is equal to a. Let's write here a. And qr is equal to 30. From here, we can say that a is equal to 10 and 10 plus 25 will be 35. Answer is 35. $115. You think it like that, a over 30. Then you will get 150. But it is not a, it is like that actually. 30 is here, bu da belə, tamam. Aydındır. Çünki deyir ki sənə, bax burada deyir ki sənə fc a-dır, düzdür. Bu a-dır, bu 30-dur. A 30-un 3də biridir deyir. Ona görə 10 olur. Sən tərsinə fikirləşmirsən. Tez yazmışsan deyə doğru fikir verməmişsən. Evet. Ha, düzdür. 30'du, onda 30 bölü 3 olurdu. Tamam, 3'e vurmuşsan. 30 bölü 3 yapmışsan neyse. Tamam. Which equation could represent the relation? You can see that is decreasing. For A and C, it is actually increasing, so it is not A and C. Düzdür. A'dan C değil, çünkü A'dan C yukarı gelir. Then select one point from here. If you want also, you can select 2 points. Let's select that one. It is 0 and 35. And it is 9 times 0. Then let's write equation here. So equation A, B is like that. You can see that it passes through from both points, so it is the correct one. Answer is B. 20. Here we must use this formula. If ratio of area is equal to K, if ratio of side is equal to K, then ratio of areas is equal to K square. That's accepted. Ratio of side is equal to K, and the ratio of areas is equal to K squared, like that. If it's a length of each side of EFGH is equal to 30 times of EBCD, it means that K is equal to 30, and it will be equal to 30 square. Then it says that if ABCD is equal to 60, then second one will be 54,000. Answer is D. Okay, let's continue. Tamam. Sen C yapmışsın zaten. Ama tamam, denersen.
Ondan sonra circle x, circle times x, sonra circle x var. Equals to 28 oldu.
Belə fikirləşəcəm. We have two rectangle, right? So if it is x, let's say it is y. It is area is equal to xy, right? So if it is 30x, it is also 30y, right? Because it's similar. Then it is area will be 900xy. Here it says that xy is equal to 60. Then you have to think like that. It is 900 multiplied by 60. Did you understand? Or you can think like that. It says that one rectangle has an area of 60, right? Think it like this. It is 6. It is 10. Then it will be 6 multiplied by 30, 180. 10 multiplied by 10. 10 multiplied by 30, 300. Then multiple them, it will be D. As a College Board use this question type frequently. Tamam. 21. For 21, we must find slope twice, it is all. First, it says that we have P of C is equal to -2. Let's write it here. We have P4 is equal to 38. And it says that slope is equal to 8. Slope of the graph is equal to 8. So K is equal to 8. And it will be like that. 38 minus -2 over 4 minus C is equal to 8. Then let's find C, it is -1. Aydındır. Then we have T of C, it is another line, is equal to -3. And we have T of 5 is equal to 51. Then we have to write it like that. 51 minus -3 is equal to 5 minus C. Then it is equal to 9. And the answer is 9. D. Aydındır. 22. Area is equal to 1 over 2 multiplied by base multiplied by height. Then we can write it like that. Area 2x plus 22.5 is equal to no, not this one. Bu nerede? It is base. Okay, it is not area. Area is equal to x squared, and x squared is equal to that one multiplied by 2x plus 22.5 multiplied by x minus 11. Then you have to just find value of x, and it is 495. 495. 21 is 9, I think. It was 9. Yes, it was 9. Any question from here? Okay, now let's look model 2. A lecture of 19, 16. It is I think 20 question. No, it's 20. Ömer 18. Ali 22. Reza 16. Murat 16. A lecture of 19. Okay, let's look. First one. Y is equal to 4 with power of x. It's translated 8 unit down. If it's 8 unit down, it means that it will be like that. Answer is C. Second one. What's the equation of line which passes through these 2 points? You have to create table 0, -5, 1, 3. Then you have to press that one and you will get answer B. 3. For 3, you have to write both equation here. F of x is equal to x plus 3. G of x is equal to 3x. Then you have to write it like that and you will get also answer. 30. Answer is D. 4. We know that 6 over 18 is 1 over 3. And v with power of 14 over v with power of 7 is v7. Like that. And it is answer B. 5. For 5, you must open it. Or you can also write instead of t number. It's also okay. Let's think it like that. Just wait 1 minute. Okay, we have -4 here, right? We have negative sign at another -4 here. So -4 will be 4. But it is -4. And their sum will be 0. So it means that it is not A, it is not C. Then we can look for example t or t cube. Burada bax, bu neçədir? Mənfi 4 var, düzdür burada.
Yes.
Burada da çıxılsın bir dənə də mənfi 4. -4 minus -4 will be equal to 0, right? -4 minus -4. So it means that it is not A, it is not C, right?
Yes.
Then we have to look difference between B and D. Difference between B and D is cube, this part, right? So we can look, for example, cube here. We have negative for T cube, right? And we have another negative here, so it will be positive for T cube. Answer is B. Aynı oldu bu. Tamam. Belə eləməyəsə daha yaxşı, çünki açanda bəzi uşaqlar bunu səhv eləyir. Belə hallar görmüşəm. Hamısını yazanda. Ondan sonra baxın. -4'lər gedir. Əsas şey. -4'lər gedir. 4t kub olur müsbət. O da olur B variantı. Qısacası.
Bunda elə axırda birinci, axırıncı, yəni
Yox, birinci bura baxın. Yəni məsələn hamısında axırı eynisə, axırına baxmaya ehtiyac yoxdur. Bəzən elə də olur. Baxın nə fərqlidir. Məsələn buralar eynidir, bura heç baxmaya ehtiyac yoxdur.
yəni ayrı, fərqli olur.
Ha. Yəni nə qədər fərqli şeyə baxsanız o qədər yaxşı olar. Tamam, keçək. You can write it to decimals, then you can find answer. Create table. If you write two of them, it is enough, by the way, because it's linear function. It is correct. So answer is A, because A passes through from two of them. When y is equal to 0, x is equal to 7, it means that 7 is x-intercept. And x plus 5 is factor, it means that x is equal to -5 is also x-intercept. So we have here 7 and -5. Burada yaxşı görünmür amma. In option A, we have 7 and -5, so it is correct. Because we have 7 as a x-intercept and -5 as x-intercept.
Mənim imtahanda belə qraflar verə bilər.
Verə bilər. Nətər? Nətər qraf?
Yəni belə şəkil kimi də verə
Ha, verə bilər. Amma belə balaca olmur da, böyük olur. Bu imtahandandır bu arada, yəni bu imtahan sualın olsa. It says that x plus 5 is factor. When for example it says 3x plus a is factor, then you can make it equal to 0 and you have to calculate it. You will get x is equal to -a/3. It means that -a/3 is your x-intercept. So you can find x-intercept from factor and factor from x-intercept. Tamam, devam edelim. 8. For 8 it says that we have a bu deyəsən bir səhv düşmür. Okay, we have here circle and this circle will be something like that. Just wait. So it will be something like this. Here you can see that its diameter is equal to 8. Its diameter is equal to 8, radius is equal to 4, and circumference will be 8p, and k is equal to 8. Answer is B.
Mənim o neydi o formulası dediyiniz? Pierre Quad.
It is, no, it says circumference. Circumference is equal to 2pr or pd.
Pierre.
And diameter is
So-
equal to 8, and it is equal to 8.
8 times 8p.
8p is equal to kp, and 8 is equal to k. Nəsə deyəsiydim.
Mənim onda p-yə var burada elə p.
Evet, çünki deyək ki, bu kp-yə bərabərdir. Ha, bu bir dəfə düşüb imtahana bu arada. Hasan sualda, amma bir dəfə düşüb. Demək ki, ikinci səfər düşmə ehtimalı hələ də var. Yəni, yenə düşmə ehtimalı yüksəkdir hələ də. This one. We have a lot of calculation method for this type of question, we can write, for example, like that, x1 minus 4x1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Then we can write x1 is equal to 2 plus square root of k. Then we can write here that sign and you will get value. Diğersen yok. Buranın da yazırdı. Yok, kvadrat yazmadım. It is square. 5. Answer is 5. Any question from here? Also, let's look how to do without decimals, just using paper. X squared minus 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. Find discriminant from here. Discriminant is equal to b squared minus 4ac, and it's equal to negative 4 squared minus 4ac. And 4ac will be 1 and negative 1. So it is equal to 20, right? Right. Then we can write it like that. x1, x2 is equal to negative b4 plus square root of 20 over 2. And it is equal to 2 plus square root of... Some students write here 10. 10 is not correct. Most students write here 10. You have to think like that. 2 is square root of 4 and it is automatically 5. Okay, 20 over 4 will be 5. Any question from here? Sual var kimdəsə?
Xeyr,
Başa zaman. Also, we had this type of question. I want bunu da göstermek istəyirəm. I want to show also this type of question. Let's say it is 2. Let's say it is 14. Let's say it is 6. Now let's say that a plus square root of b is solution of this equation. What's the value of a plus b? Okay, when it is like that, you can use second method for finding a and b. It's the same, but if you want to use decimals, it will be a little bit different. You have to write it here like that. Then you must write here 1. Then you have to say that x1 is equal to a plus square root of b. But we know that when we are using discriminant, we are getting two solutions with plus and minus, and we have to write also here minus. A minus square root of b. A minus square root of b. They will get value here like that. Bu aydın ya. Bununla bir iki daha bakmışıq. Bu suallar çox düşür.
Bu sualda nisbətən aşağıda bölünmə olur. Yəni bölünmə nəyəsə.
Ha, bölünür deyə belə biraz qəribə bir şey çıxır əslində. Burada ki aşağıda 4 olur. Aşağıda 4 olduğuna görə 16-ya bölsən deyə 15.25 olur. Kimdə sual var? Yox, niyə eləyə bilmir? Çünki burada 2 dənə hərf var. A var, B var, düzdür. Sən burada deyirsən ki, x1-in yerinə bunu qoy. İndi sən x1-in yerinə bunu qoyursan, avtomatik içində A və B-nin olduğu bir dənə tənliyi əldə edirsən. Əgər 2 dənə dəyişənin, yəni 2 dənə bilinməyən olan bir tənliyin varsa, onları tapa bilməzsən. Sonsuz sayda əldə var, düzdür. Məsələn, bunu tapa bilirsən. Bunu tapa bilmirsən də düzdür. 9-1 ola bilər, 8-2 ola bilər, son sayda. Hə, ikinci tənlik də lazımdır. Məsələn, bunun kimi. İndi tapa bilirsən. Sən burada elə bir ki, bunu belə yazanda, avtomatik Desmos bir dəfə bunu yerinə qoyur. Bir dəfə də bunu yerinə qoyur. Elə bu tənliyi həll edir. Sistem tənlik düzəldir, bildin? Amma bayaq verilənlər nə idi? O sonsuz sayda həldən sadəcə biri. İndi bu düz gəldi, amma bunu dəyişəndə gördüyün kimi başqa bir şey gəldi. Aydındır. Tamam. Bu istəyirsənsə bunu göndərim. Ya da sən şərsini seç. Varsa telefon. Buna baxarsan evdə. Başa düşməsən yenə sabah soruş, bunu izah edeyim yenə. Okay, 10. For 10 is simple system recursion. Yes, you can write to decimals or you can add them. When you add them, you will get 2y here, right? 2y is equal to 6 and y is equal to 3. Answer is 3. C. 11. For 11 is say the percent increase from May 1 to June 15 is 43.75%. Here we can say it like that. Let's say May 1 is equal to M or A and ya da M olsun karışmasın. And June 15 is equal to J. From here we can say it like that. M multiplied by 1.4375 is equal to J. Right? Because you say 43.75% increase. When you say increase, you have to add it to 100, then you have to divide it by 100. Faiz artımı deyəndə üstünə 100 gəlib 100-ə bölürük. And also it say at June 15, there were 92 flowers, butterflies, so it is 92. So answer is 64, A. 12. For 12, you can write it to decimals like that. You can do it by yourself, but you can write to decimals like this. For multiple by 5 minus 9x1 plus 1 and 9x1 minus 5. So you will get answer 8. Answer is 8. But maybe you can think, maybe you are not very fast at keyboards. You can also write it like that. 2a plus 3a plus 9 is equal to 4a plus 1. Then a is equal to negative 8. But you have to be careful. It say it is 5 minus 9x, but it asks about 9x minus 5, right? So if it is a, it is negative a. Then let's write here negative a and you will get answer. 8.
Correction yazılan. Kısa olarak olan uzun.
Ya belə deyilsən də yəqin ki. Ha, o da olar, o da olar.
Tamam.
Yeah, it's also same. You can write it like that and you can get its value from table graph. It will be 1.44. Then you will get like that. It's also say it's also 8. It's also 8. Certain. We have a rectangle. We have a circle like that. And inside of this circle, we have a rectangle like that. Okay. Then says that circumference of circle is equal to 152 pi. We can find its diameter using this formula. PD is equal to 152 pi. And from here we can say that its diameter is equal to 152. So it means that from this point to this point, it is 152, right? And it's also diagonal of rectangle. After that, it say diagonal of rectangle is twice of its short side. So if it is 152, here will be 76. And here we can use Pythagore. If in question it say one side is twice of, I mean hypotenuse is twice of another side, it means it's 36 and 90 triangle. You can use that one or you can use Pythagore, it is 76 square root of 3. After that, we can find area of rectangle just like that. And the answer will be D. Cevap D'dir. Aydındır. Tamam. 14. You have to just write the decimals, then you will get answer. Okay, we write like that. If you take that one and if you write here with using this bracket, you will get something like that. Okay, it's our solution. It's our intersection part and it's solution. Then create table. Then write here -5, -6, and -8. 7, 23. Okay, when you write 7, you can see that it is not on the shaded part, right? It is not correct. -5 and 8, it's not correct. -5 and 10, yeah, it's correct. It's our answer, probably. But we have to check all of them. 16 and 27. Correct and correct. So answer is C. 15. For 15, say $15 for first person, that 11 for additional. It means that 11 is slope plus 15. But because it's a first person and it is remaining person, it will be -1, like that. Then you will get y is equal to 11x. It is equal to 11x plus 4. Answer is B. 16. For 16, we say that when it's say by 1/3, it will be like that. 1/1/3, and the answer will be 3. And it means that it is B, 3x. Answer like that, not correct. This one and this one. It is for every 1/3 increase, and it is for every 3 increase. Bu hər 3-dən 1-dir, bu hər 3-də 1-dən 1-dir.
Orada 3 olsaydı normal, 3'də 1 olmasaydı, onda cavab olacaqdı D.
A. Burada demirsən 3 olsaydı.
Hə, A'yı seçdim.
Ha, birə bölürsən.
Birə bölürsən.
Tamam.
Mustafa, mən bir də verərsiz sualı.
Bir gözlə bir dəqiqə demək. Belə deyək, gəl. Let's say that we have a function or we have a bacteria population like that, and it double every minute. So it will be like this. 2/m, right? But if you say like that, double every 5 minutes, then it will be like this. 2 with power of m/5. Is it correct? If you say double every, for example, 1/5 minutes, it will be like that. 2 with power of m/1/5, like that. So it will be equal to 2 with power of 5m. So it means that because we have by 1/3 here, it means that this one is 1/3, and it will be 1/1/3, and you will get B. Başa düşmədinsə bir dənə də yol, başqa yoldan izah edeyim. Qiymətlər verərək. Ya bu düşür belə sual. Bu keçən il mayda da düşmüşdü. Yəni indi də düşmə ehtimalı yüksəkdir ona görə.
Mayı işlədim mən, mayda var idi, amma orada 3'də 1
Ha,
idi.
orada 3 idi.
Burada da cavab A olur.
Əgər bunu başa düşməyən varsa desin, təzədən izah edeyim. Rəqəm verərək.
If we increase x on 1,
Yəni eksi hər səfər 3-də 1 artıranda. Gəlin bir də rəqəm verək. Let's say that k is equal to 100. So it is like that. So that one means that when you increase x by 1, because there's 1x, it increased by p%. And because it's 1.84, it means that it is not p%, it's 84%, right? P is equal to 84. Now it says that which of the following increased by p% or 84% for every increase of x by 1/3. You must think it like that. Okay, let's do it like this. Let's write a here. G of x is equal to, let's say that k is equal to 100 because okay, we have to write 100 instead of k. Looking at this person change. Okay, let's now look g of 0, which is equal to 100. And let's increase x 0 by 1/3. So you can see that it increased only 7%. So it means that is not correct. But let's look b. For b, it will be like that. You can see that it increased by 84%. So it means that answer is b. I wrote here 100 because it is easy to look at its percentage when it is 100. But if you want to write another number like k, you must think it like that. You have to use percentage formula. G of 1/3 minus G of 0 over G of 0 multiplied by 100. Then let's give values of k. You can see that it is equal to 84 for every value of k. But when it is 1/3, it is not correct. So it is 7% for every value of k. Do you have any question? Okay, let's also look option C. C is like that. So it is 22% for every value of x, every value of k. Kimse sual var? Tamam. Ümid edirəm hamıya aydındır. Kısacası 1/3 olanda 3 olur, 3 olanda 3/1 olur. Bu kadar sadə. Clothing store buys shirts at wholesale price. Let's say that wholesale price is W and W is equal to 4. Resell them at a retail price of 270% of it. It will be like that. 10.8. Then we have discounted prices, which is 65% off. It will be like this. Uh, 65% off retail price. Or when you have off with double F, it means it's reduction. It is discount. You have to minus it from 100. Answer is 0.78. 18. For 18, we have an angle like A is equal to 7x minus 670. B is equal to another angle, 180 minus A, right? Then it says that sum of measure of one acute and three obtuse is equal to negative 14x plus W. Then you have to write here that sign. Then also write here x1. You will get answer. Okay, so x1. Then let's write x1 is equal to, for example, 1, 2, 3, or random. You can't write if you want random, it's also okay. Random 100. Any question? Okay. Bu necə tapmaq olurdu deyəsən bura
Eyvlər olur.
da. Sonra bunu belə, yoxsa buna ehtiyac yox deyəsən. Sonra da deyəsən belə deyirdik də. Burada nə istəyir? B-ni istəyir.
Sıfırdan. B bölüşdür sıfırdan yanında yazırdıq o biri mötərizə.
Belə də yazsan olar əslində. Belə yazan da olsa elə olur.
İkisi olur.
Tek şeyle gözüm. Tamam. Bir dənə bu əllə baxın. Bir dəqiqə davam edək bir dəqiqə. Tamam. Also you can think it like that. What's the meaning of this function? What's the meaning of an exponential function? Bu funksiyanı tam aydın başa düşmək lazımdır əslində. Baxın, this function means that it starts from A. A is initial value. And because it's x or x over 1, it means that for each increase of x by 1 unit, I am writing here 1 because it is x over 1, okay? Okay, for each increase of x by 1 unit, f of x is multiplied by b. Okay, now let's look this function. You can put that one to first side, right? Like that. Is it correct? Anyone has any problem here? Burada kimsə sual var. Okay. Then you can think this one 100 over 100, right? Because it is 1 and 1 is equal to 100 over 100. Then you can write it like that. 39 over 100 f of m minus 1 is equal to f of n. This function means that when you increase n or x by 1 unit from here to here, it will multiply by 39 over 100, so it is 0.39. You can also find the answer like that. Okay. Or if you want, you can put this function here. You can find from here 0.39 multiplied by AB with power of m minus 1 is equal to AB with power of n. Here we can eliminate a from each side. We can write that one like that. B with power of n over b. Just wait. Then we can eliminate bn from both sides. It will be 1 and 1. And b is equal to 39. Ya bax, 3 dənə yoldan izah elədim sizə. Ha. Bir bu var idi. Əslində mən bununla edərəm. But best method is actually using Desmos, using Wave. Düzdür. Ən rahat oydu əslində. Heç nəyə fikirləşməyə ehtiyac yoxdur.
Teillä on dalğalı xətt qoyub list yaranır.
Ha, yəni bu ən rahat, çox rahat. Yəni o belə daha sadə olsun deyə bunu birbaşa burada da yerinə yazıb belə də list verə bilərsiniz. Belə.
Heç list verməyə də ehtiyac yoxdur. Böyük işarəsini qoysaq tamam.
Ha, o da olar. Böyük işarəsini qoysaz da olar. Yəni çətin kimi görünür, amma asan sualdır. Bu arada avqustda düşəndə 2 dəfə bu sual düşürdü. Yəni bunu uşaqlardan baxmamışdıq və çox uşaq çətin olduğunu fikirləşirdi.
Bu məsələ mən ilk dəfə düşsə Desmosdan yazardım bunu.
Nə o vaxt biz Desmosda çox belə metodlardan istifadə eləmirdik. Bunun kimi. Mən fikirləşirdim bu çox da önəmli şey deyil. Sonra gördüm ki, daha önəmliymiş. Area of rectangular region increases at a rate of 300 square centimeter mean like that over minute. It is equal to let's say x because it's a volt, x or 8, let's say, square meter over minute. It is square. You can see that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, right? So let's write instead of 1 meter, 100 centimeter. Like that. And instead of minute, let's... Neyse səhv yazdım burada. It is not minute, it is hour. Then let's write instead of hour 60 minute. Then you will get answer from here. Minute will be eliminated. Square, centimeter square will be eliminated, right? Like that. Then you have to just use wave and you will get answer. 0.005. Most students don't know how to write this one in exam, because if you write it like that, you can see that it is 6 character. But in exam you can write up to 5 character. 5'e kadar yazabilirsiniz. It is not also correct. It is also again 6 characters. So you must write it like that. 0.0005. It is only correct. It is the only correct answer. Tamam. 21. Negative x squared plus bx minus 169 is equal to 0. Write instead of by. Then look here. So we got something like that. We write instead of by, let's give some value instead of y. For example, y is equal to 20. You can see that we don't have intersection point, right? So it means that when b is equal to 20, b 20 olanda, we don't have any solution. So between 26 and negative 26, we don't have any solution. 26 ile mənfi 26 arasında boşluq olduğuna görə bizim həllimiz yoxdur. When y is equal to 26, it means that we have only one solution. And when y is equal to negative 26, it means that we have only one solution. 26 ile mənfi 26 olanda 1 əldə olur. When it is greater than 26 and less than negative 26, 26'dan böyük mənfi 26'dan balaca olanda da 2 dənə həlli olur. We have two solution for this part because we have two line like that. Bunu biraz sual işlədirsə sizə çox sadə gələcək, elə belə şeydir. What's the less possible value of b? So we have to look here. Aşağı baxmalıyıq. Negative 25. Bu da yaxşı metoddur. 22. Make subject. For make subject, you can calculate it by yourself or you can give number, give value instead of this letter. It asks about r. You have to write instead of rx or just r. It is also enough. R is equal to 1 over p plus 1 over q plus 1 over s plus 1 over 33. Then you have to write it like that. P is equal to, for example, 10, any number, but not 0, because we don't have 1 over 0. Q is equal to 20, s is equal to 30. Then put here wave, so r is equal to 4.68, right? Then check all answer. R is equal to, or let's do it like that, 33 PQS over P plus Q plus S plus 33. It is not the same, right? Now let's look that one. It is 33. 33 QS, I think. 33 PS. 33 PQ and PQS. So you can see that it's same. It means that it is the answer. If you change this number, it will be negative 15.10. It will be also negative 15.10. So answer is B. Kimse sual var? Tamam. Bunu gəlin dayandıraq hələlik.